Yeah. No, stop here. That's the word about it, right? So is this it? Is this it? Look around those numbers here. 4,1100 here. I don't see anything up here, I guess. I don't see if this is a 3 or 8 here, but it looks to be a 3, but as far as I'm concerned about it, it might be 8 as well here, guys. You can look at the information about that thing. Okay, here it is when you put a factor here. Oh, you're genius here. This is something that's more difficult to remove here. Now we have confirmation, it's 8.7 here. Web optimized here. That's interesting over this product. So I will very easily just harvest that screen off the case, yeah, very easy here. But you wouldn't think about this, these are 3 lectures here. Advanced list here. We will lots about episodes here. The world, the price about here. But if you think about this, you get 10 unit and then you play this huge post notification. You just want to get rid of the here. I mean, that's just really cool about the posters here. 94 here, okay, so. Still, well, it's cheaper than nothing here, okay, so. Yeah. Dark now. Let's take a look around here. Just take it. Every time shift it. How about like screen? Screen resolution, screen whatever you care. Screen size 5:6 here. So you can display the active metrics, DFT core LCD. It's crystal here, okay, so that's the case, so this crystal screen here. So I cannot do it. The question is, I don't have time. I'm happy about the number of the pictures. And not so happy. 7 pictures is good. Look at it also for the similar result here. So I'm charging dual core right here. It's always the same product here. 3 GB, because there's also different versions of the 3 to 4 GB versions, yeah. Some people change the hard 80, like double, like 80 GB here. It's just different prices about here. I'm interested in replacement screen here, okay, so this one here. Our popular product was that here, 180 here. In 3 months, as Pirate is the multiple repair service here. 3 months once here. Well, what is this here? A repair service. No, it is sent anywhere here. Can I put a laptop here? They're using if they want to here. Is the charger here? Well, that will be very cheap here. I haven't think about it first, but nothing is cheap. When the process cost is always crazy about here. Yeah, you buy from China those products, etc. I just buy wherever I get just simple here. It's the same product. They might be useful here. Look on one is useful and something is not so. So now we got our model. Now we need all the replace the screen here. Replace the screen. Screen. This is me. Very. What are you doing here? Because the movie is so here. Skin? Can be done? Yeah. This is a question when I just get my cell phone here. What are you gonna do today here? More riskies? Always riskier, okay, so that's what the life has been here. But not excessively risky, this is a controlled minuscule risky here, okay, so. Hey, food for you, whatever bacteria there is there. Take a look around. This is guy. Here we go. Oh well, I like that. That was, I mean, in that day, it was one of the best days of my life so far here, guys, and I have to say about that in here. Interesting about the Sega things. And needless to say here, you never will be know what happens instead, but whereas this history here, he did something what he never managed to ever done before his life around it. Ever before that moment here. Replacement screen here. Screen here, replacement here. Ideals. So we will expect it here. We're looking for a price about here. I'm gonna collect it delivery here extensively here. So go to 378 here. Here is the price for you. Post is free. Availability China here. So now we have this price. Our 50 unit here. That's a hell of a guess for so stupid mistake like that here. Yes. Well, you're able to fix something here, and that's what screen it is a backlight here. Well, there's a hell of a lot of products here. Well, 50.6 here. Replacing screens here. You think about this is the product right here. You need to take it off this thing screen here. You're looking for here. Here's a Vision 36 unit by now free posted here. It's also come from China here. Laptop also screen new. It's got a scary sort of thing about here. So we can buy about the new one here because well, some things like this money just run off everything. I got the left side here, so they can do it about here, and I'm going to give an application away here. The more tools and productivity here. Tools of productivity here. It's over. I won't give up. I come and maybe show tomorrow, maybe. No. In case you're keeping all the all kind of different things. Don't show about you. Is this keyboard? A charger. Battery. A laptop here. You gotta get the battery here. It's a keyboard. I don't know, so it to be I saw any interested kind of thing. Somebody has break it about here. Replacement products quite rather cheap here. And also the screen relatively very cheap indeed here. So what are we expecting about here? Remember the specification. This is something that can be broken about in a unit. And screens for this versus a 428 5.6 euro. Just take a look at this product case and it's claimed this year 36 here. I use it. It's quite expensive here. Buy it now. 2 days. That's the Chinese here. Keep it. Buy it now here. The left around here. Do funny about the things here. So pay it now. Take a look around this active basket here. So what is this? This is restart texture here. It should be always look same here. If you use the placeholder here. Replace on laptop LCD screens here, okay, so please notification. Your machine may be compatible with the both LCD and LED versus screens. Making sure you are buying the correct screens. If you need help, make sure you need prefer protection here. Now here we go. If I take a payment to a credit card here. The Express here. You know, it's a UK website here. Well, there is a Chinese site here, maybe not the UK website, but somewhere in the world, nevertheless, eBay. The first post is maybe in a bit in here from United Kingdom here. Well, where is Chinese here, I guess? I just can't wait about this. It's a Chinese here, I guess. A premium service. Like this type of thing here. So instead of you can easily buy about here, but but I need like that to get that. First of all, you don't even know what you buy here. Bottom left is the connector here. I am specific here. Popular search 50.6 here. Well, so now it's time to do something. Are you ready? So first, are you ready to do anything? Nothing. Truth about. Well, yes, I already crashed it here. Turn over everything. It's took a long time here to go in anywhere. The colors is a practice here. Bronze used to here. Repair. What's so special here? So special thing, alright. All see these screens. Okay, let's take a look around here. Okay, let's take a look around here. Word of the day, hey. There's an upload here. Let's take a look around here, this website here. Well, explanation of what's happening here. We get a good back for it here. Okay, so now let's take a look around this support here, that's the website here. What do you want to do is the question here, if there were questions here. Activation here. This not connected to the internet connected here. Just run as much as you can here. That's right. Let's take a look on it. It has return as you selected nothing, no correct font here. And then we go to the scan history here. Here we go, nobody's font. Start with scan. Full time scan. Then I just did the report here. Minutes here, test files. Another test. On 937 here, 32 gigabytes here. 448 gigabyte quick scan here. Test files around 537 minutes. 1 hour, 449 gigabyte here, okay. Here is the latest here. Start up a scan here. Photos to scan, 1 hour. Infected files. It's never say any files infected here, I guess, in this history here. But what you know about here is that when we go internet here, internet browser here, that anytime we download any files, alright, it doesn't make sense. Anything that we download, then just go disaster here, okay, so if anything correct for it here. His disappointment here, okay, so his body here, okay, so we'll read about that thing. Let's see if the minutes ready to see here. Well, I will read about that thing here. Okay, so here. I just can't stand for this thing here. This thing, so boring here. I just get believed here. To yourself. How about today? Now? No. I keep it on. I want inside. You can take stuff here, putting around here. Everything collecting. It will be speedier, faster after here, okay, so if you go outside or waiting, it's what I keep up here, okay, so I'll take a look around here. So we will be here. No, you won't here, okay, so that we fighting here. What are these? There's 2 versus 1 here. He's very strong here. So yeah, I'm gonna go right now here, okay, so okay, this is a real gun here. I'm going to shoot right here. So I'm gonna run about this real gun here, okay, so okay, so here. Just show me to the and I will shoot me right here, okay, so but okay, so this is gonna work. Stop. No deal. No deal. Never. I won't give up now. No way. No deal. What? Throw here more here, okay, so he's thrown on here. Oh. They gotta look around here. Maybe you were here. Take a look around here with it. Maybe you're not interested with it. Vilken weapon, yes. There's nothing really feel about it. You're not destroyed about it. So here it is something. It's just someone alarm here. Show an alarm. So it's some kind of what is this called about the clicking lesson here. processor provider. Search is my default service provider for you. It didn't say there's an alarm bar here, okay, so like I was thinking about the zone alarm bar here. I was first okay, whatever, yeah. Then zone alarm bar. What is that thing here? Annoying, hate, dislike. What is it here? Okay, so and just an installing of this thing program here. So you can install one product time here, and what happened then? It's stuck. It's stuck. It's computer stuck here, okay, so let's see if they hack the computer here, okay, so you don't really hack about here that we want to make sure here. I don't know anything. If it's somebody who's like what the is it all kind of thing. I thought about everybody just all the time like it's not one computer because it doesn't have much functionality here. Spy blocker toolbar here. As you updated most of what's in here. Just look at the top of my Firefox feed. I don't know how to permanent delete here, okay, so this is here, taskbar here. Under the taskbar there's a plus, there's a whole data taskbar right there. In taskbar there is a plus part here for your page here. It's in taskbar here. In taskbar here is the location here. Where is spy blocker toolbar here, okay, so my search here. Most of the time, there's another why I type of search bar when I use this because it tends to very best Google here. There's no search bar here, there's any editing here. Need for a version of that's a good quality. Updated issue format the current needs to no prophecy even a save out here. Okay, here. What is this bar here? I mean, I don't interesting about this thing. What am I reading about this thing here? I don't care. I'm not interested in this thing, so I'm always about here, guys. There's a toolbar here, possibly for the for there. I just say about that thing here, guys, and I'll leave the location here. For your buttons here. So if you're looking for a whole board twice, okay, so now we have some basic price, 30 units here. Free shipping for the UK here, of course, here. The location. Post Europe is exclusion here. This is the price for that, for sure. I mean, if it takes 1 hour to find the best location here, you're gonna right now to do it here. Doing full risk of this here. How much things you need to know about it here? This needs to be sure that you want your whole product here. It can take weeks about it. I mean, it can take months even in your case. You know, like every product case is far case. It's taking months about it. And there's also thousands of the products case already case and interesting. Okay, I don't keep it about this kind of things that are absolutely crucial here case. There's some kind of priority list case here. So I should use priority list cases here. Always there's one target case at chasing one moment of the time here, okay, so you have always one thing what you can do in one moment here. One thing is the first thing, and you can do two things equally simultaneously here, okay, so doing two things simultaneously here, okay, so I wanna go for simultaneously here. I mean, I don't know if it's a process existing here. That's something as a simulate here. So the alcohol location for soft fever. And it's very info here. I want to read the toolbar text program. I just have the policy to have a clear toolbar in the process here. And you have force about using it. How the so on here. And permission level. This is a stop location. Maybe you should not install location. It's quite difficult here. So we just install it. There's a color for it. How about just getting old damn good old period bar here? It wasn't the best of all the time, but it's pretty much better than nothing. If that's the case. So I'm gonna right now to evaluate that direction here. Carry a fireball here, I guess. Do it still have anything here? I don't know, it's better than nothing here whatsoever. I'm going to tool for the process to tell me this and upper save thanks here. The full versus I want to just figure that out because now it's more time to have some small install it. I don't know why is it so. I don't really want to spend much time with the thing. I mean, it's funny here because I don't exercise about these things about here. Because I just do it because it's I can do it better here. Check is I say, well, okay, I get that. Well, here is better. We'll need to go and check it. Take the free version, you know. It is as if there is a button to press it. So it's the part that will need to be unchecked, but could vary because they remove it here. I remove it here. You need to export the tools when it's in a matters in a displ to take the tool possibly up here. Go! They're really pushing on here. It's just a case in here. Well, that's gonna be something mind here. And let's take a look around what's gonna happen here. And this replace the screen here. So we found about this on products. The first time in my life here in problems. And today we will find a problem here. And there was one more day again lost it here because of 4 year. And all this is run off because of it. I have totally control over anything here because it's so incredible scary for every possible respect here because I'm not blaming myself anything here. I just no what to say about that thing here because replace the screen. Okay. Still the status quo 0. The one thing about to think about this color here is not just empty stomach, empty mouth here. Your skin really take good beating upon here. I'm doing nothing. No screen go about it with the minus in here. Before you know that there is billions different colors of this thing here. Oh, they should put a little bit here. And create here it is. I look at replace the notification backward cost here. Terms hardware here display here. The notification laptop, but when it's just online here it is accessibility here. We need to the website here it is. I want to get off this thing so here. So no offline installer here. So are you gonna do anything about it here? So let's think about what I can do about here, kids, in here. So there is something happens here. No longer is stopped at me while it's here. First of all, what I know is computer about is that I know the physical shape is with kilos or here. This is a useful thing about here. I mean, you should stop doing here. Also, the headsets okay, so get breaking about here, okay, so I look at the replays with damage education and backwards, but when I see some online get the results more occasion with your laptop there set here a G3T replaces screens here. And so if you buy this and as soon as we install it on here, from damage is the same here. And believe it anyways here. Let's the screens about this so we have a little very little infinity here. Maybe some of things are you talking about for thing here because I don't know in that publication. The same shares dimensions. Well, if they are pretty much the same thing, unlimited when does it mean that what the company would be compatible with any laptop as long here? No, take your screen out here. There's some kind of a similarity about it, nevertheless here. I remember this is all kind of hardcore copy this scene manufacturer is all not same here because on the back here because obviously me I doubt we'll be able to get it for free. I was hoping we would go because I tell it by the why does that modern number outside here. I'm putting up a phone here. Laptop.com here. That's the 36 lap gave you 2 types because it will be in a white sticker the more number letters after here. And you just because right here. Really you need to get the screen out and get the more numbers on me. The message I was sent to you here. To me. Or the developer here. Originally for as well to replace the laptop screens here. But there's a solving about, of course, those screens are on here. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna find the very unfortunate case. The cheapest is not maybe a reason case here. Because anybody can sell it in one unit to sort of auction sites here. I mean, whoa, those auction sites are they're just not something I need to know, but I just do my time here. I mean, well, I just think about those exercises. It's not what I do my real time. As well after screen you can. The people who specialize. I mean, I just can't do specialized. I don't necessarily these people are article that. Well, when there's nothing else these people have to do about their life here. It's the only thing what they can succeed. Well, they just think about it. And I don't think about any human, I guess, like these people who support these laptops. This kind of a special are really born to excel, so write these technicals, yeah. Even they will be done now. It's more about adaptations, about putting different unit, different conditions about it. Because it's the same genes around here. You see different results here, okay, so. Trying. Now we get prices here from eBay. Laptop screen online. Well, of course it costs a lot of money, but okay, that's flying cat manager. Well, units now. There's an inverter here. Screen inverter. Why is this important inverter here? Well, that didn't have a reverse picture right here. Is that inversion? Screen display here. There's one here. Then there's a screen inverter too about it. But what's the problem about it? Well, I need only this turn up the LCD crystal the plate here, okay, so that it's unfortunately continues case on the plate here. I did think about that because it is a replacement here. Let's go to my terminal website here. I want to take a look around about this website here. What they have here, okay, so what are you gonna do about this computer? Here I'm sitting on you see products here. I see how this works about this computer, and I see some information about that thing, but I don't know what to do about this computer. About that, these people can't be like 2 hours, 3 hours, anything is possible. Yeah, it is really important to do now. That's a very good question. Well, maybe so. I'm maybe gonna go for the laptop. Okay, so it's screen off here. Well, I don't know about it. What I'm not gonna do is gonna do for functional anything off the case, yeah. That's also for sure here. So let's go to this website here. What they sell Alibaba here, guys. And look looking around what's going on here. Think about the people with any money here. Okay, so that perhaps because of that just bullshitting here. You have the everything what I want here, guys. And I have nothing what you want here. You have everything what you have bulk, and I have nothing what you want. Let's see. Okay, we understand here. So let's see. AliExpress. Oh, well. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go take a look around here. Well, what do you guys see all about here, guys? You sell a lot of shit for sure. Shoes, accessories. I never find anything here. I think about buying something here, but I mean, it's incredible, guys. And this people, guys, they get already access of the information over here. Maybe, yes. And then they would a freaking keyboard that you could access the key back here. See, they can have display here. Maybe they can look around bank account. What's going on here? Because they have the bank accounts here. So you can take a look around here. And how much is this in here? There's an MC here. So, oh really? You like what that guy here? Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna repeat that guy for you. This no shape, okay, so here. It's just gonna keep it continuing here, okay, so what is the inevitability already back in days? That's a question I have already until looking for replacement in KP. That is a proper back to the cases here. And then something is gonna continue here. And something's happened suddenly here, guys. Online, I know about this species here, nothing here. Well, phenomenal benefit is a switch. It makes all sense now, okay, sure. So let's put in on what you wanna do. What you wanna do simultaneously here? Okay, I think it's a simultaneous here. This is an item, but simultaneous here. Doing two things at simultaneously. The two things do more than one thing at simultaneously. Okay, installer here. What are you expecting about this answer here? This is one of those unnecessary here. Time wasted here. I should go sleeping. I repeat to this, but I'm still done. Look at this. I break everything here. These actions have to be solved right now. The putting excuses to do this add-ons here, guys. This is ready for to just to work here, guys. To defend, you're going to just eat and use the computer when you're playing video game. Choose what you here. Add-ons here. Simultaneously, guys. For doing two things as simultaneously here. Use simultaneously. Neously here. Osly here. After all. At once here. Is a way to improve product just as a work here. It's just a try about this thing here. I understand what it's in here. How did you miss this in here? Because simultaneous is never affordable here using usually. Now we look for this website here. Okay, now we get the versus version. It was for simultaneous for mobile phones here. Here we go. So there's a whole different thing. They have a far more important things to do with the screen. So it's number the left the front here, guys. ALT here screen numbers. Just your screen number. Original corner vision case in other case of countries here. Your case is screen left here. Number 8K is first. Oh. So it's your parallel below here. Is the ship here, guys. Well, there's all left the screen here. And this kind of different thing here. Okay. But the variance here. Really. Variance here. The variance seems to be mean very little. Just get rid off here. Here we go. Here we go. Something here. Oh really? Not so far. Are you gonna case keep up, my friend? Okay, here we go. So what's going on there? Waiting for Scarsol. Maybe actors as actually might be still the computer. Nothing was enough, right? I mean, how you could protect this computer for hackers there? You for sure gonna have hell of a lot of security here, guys. You're gonna be for sure putting on everything maximum here. Let's start a program. I don't want this computer to end up the case on one computer is more than that here, guys. So let's go. There's a battery supply there. Let's see a battery like this, and the price is smacking expensive, 26 here. Is the same battery double price? 36 here, guys. Cheaper freezer. Whoa! I didn't know the fabrication here. What country is that goes in here? Hollister. Very good. Because why is it all everything here? You get the memory on a software. This is a better memory on that computer here. So 11.5. What are you gonna do about this thing here, guys? Recognize that he needed to go do this here. Okay, this is how they should look around here. Depending if cheapest price in online here, I could do like it definitely for now on. I could do anything here cheapest here. I really like it for the case here. But the 3 pieces are a lot here. It's absolutely it's anything what you carry up to 10 different. You guys, that's crazy. And yeah, so think about this kind of a batteries here, cells here. I mean, it doesn't make any sense about it here, guys. I have to buy anything like this price there. Is there anything else apart from him? There's a lot of multiple out here, actually. 120 units here, incredible expensive here for sure. I mean that is incredible. That the Chinese are really up for that places for computer programs. There's only guys what doesn't exist in computer for China here, guys. For shit, serious shit here, guys. Well, I'm interested about how about the screen here? Calm down here. Don't replace anything here. Calm down, please. Calm down. Negative here. I can hear you. Repeat. Replace a keyboard here. This is a replacement in your mother box. Well, LCD screen here. That's cool. After the LCD screen, isn't there is here? You think about it, there's also a laptop that almost anything. You replace it with cable, TV's cable, series, spatial cable. You can even make Apple computer work if you can able to replace it over here. I just had no idea about it 2 years ago here, but now things maybe have changed. My card. This is really serious on deep shit here, because probably with there's a huge difference about here. I mean, what is the G411 here? I remember it's quite familiar. Just I don't know about this is any difference between these versions, okay, so for that matter here, okay, so as far here it is here, there's a huge variation here. I think about it, it's same for every freaking thing on you. Look at this website's good here. They do this on this stop here, and I'm looking for perfectly are not giving this as the best chance of success for his find here. First breakage must be all but constantly. As it's a professor here, the least of the human brain limits the brain here. These are the limits of the brain. A whole network is the interference, at least the cognitive bottlenecks that all of it only process a limited number of things at one time here. And as a limited pool of bridges that use at any given moment to process different types of information or from different cognitive tasks. If you don't really have multiplication, this is a free to indicate anything we want to express, yeah. And tasks that just requires a lot of heavy duty concentration, yeah. And attention, yeah. Nothing happened. This is friendly aesthetic. Portals interactive ability successful here. Internet portal, better known as the mind finder here. Derivations since you think more about that are necessary on task here. The topic is indefinite multitasking here. Mind finder here. This distracts the interruption, so the effective rapidly multitasking. Several parameters have a extremely interference because all of the things really difficult to write for what needs to be processed here. What needs to be processing here. So basically the point of the brain process working memory at this scenario when nothing here. In problems the issue comes upon like information for the brain perform like the branch of the process of this information process away. So you get this bottleneck effect here. All of the backups slowing down how much you're able to process here. Because of the best research shows it takes about 4 times longer to complete the task when also doing something else here. So you can independently actually accomplish one task here. A combination of brain limitations interference are the reasons why multitasking is such fast application. We're supposed to give notice of the time of 2 things at last year. Biologically here. Well, for the person that must quickly here. I was part of the course this is an error like this website here. You might also like about it here because do it. And take a look around here. Wholesale here. Faster title as you can just daily here. So this is the typical computer here. VR application. Well, a laptop LCD screen here. There we go, the price 54 units here, laptop here. It's a free shipping here. The keyboard here. This is a point of the keyboard here. It's LCD screen here. 79 units here. This guy's kidding now, okay, here. 74. Well, 70 units here. Free shipping. There's no way about the $5 this year. Forget about here. Here's 70 pros. We could even have 60 units here. It's Chinese here. Look for UK price here. Okay, so it was different. Yeah, this is just probably anything is over here. Over, I don't know, 50 pesos. Should pay 60 units then. If it gets here, it's maybe 70 EU. This is maximum price including free shipping altogether here. Maximum is 60 unit case, yeah. This is around for 80 U. 80 U depending on buy it more here. Well, of course it gets in the cheapest the promotion for you. It is a word about here because all this is here. I mean, it cost 8 unit, but mistake. So with the gas here, okay, so I just looking for here. Nothing is the case in here. Then I have a lot of money, because when I have 1,000, okay, so they can pay so they're pulling it on, burning on, you know. And I will consider about this here, okay, so that could be case in here. And all the case of 500 case in it. I would be able to winning around and beating here. Otherwise, I know. Go for people over here, okay, so. I could be case in here. Do they have those okay? I don't really have a case in here. So, the first look at the back price here, 54 here. 70. There's one order even. This is seems to be a right model here. Interesting when looking for it, there's quite a different models also on the screen here. And you see for us by here, 576 here. First brand new laptop screen here. That's a pretty cheap price here. Laptop screen. Use visual place or people like this other place here. Screen size here, pixel resolution here. Take a backlight here, backlight. Left button connector. This is a LED for this model, so please make sure you use LED to buy thank you. There is a LED here. There's a two different model of this one. There's a LED on LCD for here. LED LCD. You check if your case a LED with the button connector first, make sure you connect pass here. Oh, this is called a different kind of RP script. Restrictions, pass, bezel. Let's go the bezel is this Hoover is about here. So the thing is between the bezel. Just a block of this here. Backlight. For the installation after here. Cross. Just the proper case here. This is your hard case. Proper back in with a UV black hole. Just proper case here. Well, it's very dangerous here. We will find you useful thing here. Custom tax here. The price you pay for it is actually a custom tax. We will find you lower amount of the invoice I will have it, but we are sure for any historical support for different countries. You can do it. You will always ask about it here. So the products under units here. He will be calling about it here. And he was aware about these things here. Well, unusual here it is, yeah. So the problem communication, there's more problems with it. Then he can handle. Let's go home. Wait a second, we got for Papa here. Stop recording.